Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Fork Over the Ring, where we all know the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. And today, if I'm being honest, I am showing you the ultimate cheat drunk meal that I made at 3 o'clock in the morning from being out that bae was sure to love. So this meal actually starts off with a big piece of steak. And I'm going to link in the corner here my lamb video. It's literally the exact same recipe, y'all. So you have your rosemary, your garlic, your butter, your steak, your salt, your pepper, and a few other seasonings. But it's literally the exact same recipe as my lamb video. So if you have not seen that, I'm going to link it to the side so that you can see how I make this. The only difference to it is after I finish putting everything on top of it and flipping it a few times, I go through and I add some blue cheese crumbles on top and I broil it on high for about 3 minutes. Next, we're going to do our fried lobster. So you're supposed to cut that open with scissors, but I actually didn't have any. Because again, like I said, I was drunk. It was 3 a.m. I do apologize if you don't approve of my lifestyle. So I went ahead and just took a knife and I cut it right down the spine of it. And you just pull the meat out. But your goal is not to detach the end of the tail from the actual shell itself because you need it. If it's just for you and bae, you guys each only need one, but I made 4 because the idea is that steak is pretty big, so I would have 1 lobster and half the steak for dinner that night, and bae and I would have enough for leftovers for the next day for his lunch. So that when he go to work and they be like, oh, what's that? He can be like, my bae made it. And all the work hoes know that's not their job. So for your batter, what you're going to need is I start off with 1.5 cups of flour. Then I add all of my different seasonings, which includes parsley flakes, white pepper, garlic and herb sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, and Old Bay seasoning. After I mix it all together, I take half of it and I put it in a separate bowl where I'm going to add just a little bit of water. And I'm really only going to add enough to make it like that, like a batter. And then what I do is I take the lobster tails and you're going to see it in a minute where it's literally just the meat hanging. I dip it in the wet batter first. Then I dip it in the dry flour. You do have to go ahead and kind of coax on there a little bit with your hands, but it's not too hard and you guys can do it. Trust me, it's not that bad. And then you're going to fry those for about 5 minutes. Y'all, like I told y'all with the chicken, don't y'all make no dry ass, nasty ass lobster meat. You let it cook for about 5 minutes until it's nice and crispy, and it'll be perfectly fine. If you overcook it, it's going to be nasty and tough. Okay? Stiff like a stiff weave. You don't want that. So you go ahead and let that cook up for a little bit. And again, like I said, when he takes this to work, he going to be like, bae made it. And then as far as after you cook all the lobster up, the next thing that I made were French fries. And they ain't nothing but some Arby's French fries that you can get in the frozen section of your grocery store. But again, cook everything up. This is a pretty quick meal. This actually didn't take me any more than about 30 minutes to make all of it all together. I started about 3 a.m., finished at 3:30. I don't know why my camera was up, but it was. And this is really just the best cheat meal. Rather, it's you and bae have been working out all week, getting ready for summer, or you guys just need a break from the regular. Sometimes you don't have to have a bunch of veggies on your plate. The only veggies on this plate you're going to see are the mushrooms that are on top of that steak. And that's because who eats steak without mushrooms? And that's really it. So make sure you make this for bae. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe. Tell me how you like the channel. Let me know what you want to see coming up next. Again, once I get to 1,000 subscribers, the goal, I need y'all to help me get to 1,000. But once we make it to 1,000 subscribers, there's going to be some big things happening and a really big giveaway. I cannot wait. And make sure you enjoy. Oh, side note. Don't serve that man no lobster and fries. No fried lobster and fries without no ranch. Make your own ranch with a little packet and make some melted butter. But anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.